Now we have our hot griddle with some butter. And one thing about the mixture is, you see all that cinnamon? Cinnamon usually likes to float on top of mixture. So when you're doing bread from bread, you just want to mix it a little. If you don't mix it, then one bread will get all the cinnamon, and one bread won't have all the cinnamon, and the other breads won't. So now we're going to take our piece of bread, and we're just going to dip that in there, let it sit for a couple minutes, maybe a couple seconds, and just turn it over. And now we just want to let it drip, just like that. Just let it, just let it drip. That's good. Now we're just going to put it on our pan. We're just going to let that sit for like a couple minutes, and we're going to do the same thing. Take a piece of bread, dip it, let it sit for a couple minutes, turn it over, like that, and we're going to do the same thing. Let it drip, and now we're going to put it on our pan, like that, and just do the same thing over and over. Put it in the bread, in the mixture, let it sit for a couple minutes. Oops. Ooh, that one. That's an oopsie doops. We're going to try it again. Ooh. We're going to take a bread, put it in the mixture, let it sit, then flip it over. Take it out, let it drip, and now we're gonna put it on our pan. And now let's see how this one is doing. Just gonna flip it over. You just want it a little like golden brown on the top, and we're gonna let the other side cook. And we're going to do the same thing with our rest. Let's see how this one's doing.